My boy. Ultimate buddy, bro. You're the ultimate boss, bro. You're literally the top floor boss. Let's crush, man. Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. All right, by the way, if you guys are watching on horizontal, like long form stream versus vertical, you are going to get ads, bro. You are going to get ads. I can't even control it at this point. YouTube just is going to suck dry my, even if I don't want to do ads. All right, let's lock. Let's figure this out. Bro, PANW did some shit. Big boss rumulating aura, bro. You're rumulating an aura, bro. You're literally him. I'm nobody. You're him. What up, Blender? How you feeling, bro? What do you got? You guys traded? You guys ready to rock? I mean, let's see where we're at right now in the month, bro. Hasn't been, I mean, like, in the grand scheme of things, in this little rock we float on this planet, this month has not been that bad. In the grand scheme of things, this month has not been that bad, bro. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to do another one today. I want to have a little bit more fun today with the shit. So we're going to fucking figure it out. All right, with that being said, let's do this. I'm going to start. I'm just loading up a fucking breakfast taco. Dude, I didn't eat for like 2 days. Let's log. Anyway, TradeGPT time. Okay, we're just gonna kind of test the waters. I'm doing about 1,000 a day from this prompt anyway, so I don't need to switch it up. We did intraday momentum trade yesterday, but we're gonna try basic options trade and just see the sentiment of the market. So I'm saying I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I do not care what company it is. I do not want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis recommendation. Press enter. You're not what I'm accustomed to. Finna crush. Let's go. I'm up. HPQ. 18th of June. Dude, these 18th of June trades have been printing. Let's see what's going on. PC and printing markets. All right, I'll do it. A little June 18th. What was this? HPQ. 18th of June at $21. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on, JJ. How was last night, bro? How's Miami treating you? Is it a city full of love and authenticity, like they say it is? Everyone says Miami is the most warm, heartfelt, family-oriented place on the planet. So I wouldn't be surprised. PNW, I'm up 19%, bro. I'm at 50.65. Hold on. 50.65. All right. HPQ. Let's do it. I really want to make sure that there's options on this. HPQ, yo, holy fuck, what is this? The $21 call option at 385. $21 call option. Call, 18th of June. These are not that expensive. These are $4.80. Oh yeah, TradeGPT's right. I'm not gonna do too much. It's just a little something for the next weekend. I'm not gonna go too hard today, bro. I earned a fucking easy trading day. I mean, and then that's not to say we might not go full ape into a fucking 0 DTE spy trade, right? But Let me see what's going on. Here's my entry on HPQ. Yeah, what's up with you guys? How you guys feeling? Okay, this is my trade HPQ, $21 call option, 18th of June, 13 contracts filled at $14.65. You know, easy work, guys. Easy, easy, easy. Bro, dude, I'm copying and pasting what TradeGPT tells me to trade, and I just put it in the fucking brokerage account. Like, it's like, this isn't like some rocket science shit. This is some chill shit. Like this. Apple is rallying. Yeah, it is. I'm trading HP. Crushed this morning on market shorting S&P. What happened? Wow. Great trade, brother. Let's say JJ entered here. Give him 5 minutes after market closes. Yeah, bro, you caught fucking 3 points on a downward SPY move. How much did you put on the trade? Good shit. It's gonna be slow. D-Wave went crazy. D-Wave Quantum. Dude, a lot of... there's a quantum computer company on TradeAlgo's dashboard. QBTS. Some of the guys, the analysts at TradeAlgo are telling me about it. Yeah. Look. So, this dashboard, it recognizes in dark pool activity. And it's really cool because these stocks only stay on this dashboard while they're getting high amounts of institutional activity. So we see here QBTS, D-Wave Quantum, exactly what Jeremy's talking about. Yesterday, let me show you what happened yesterday. Yesterday, May 21st, bro. Yesterday on D-Wave Quantum, there was $812 million in transactions. On a 7-day average, these guys only do $172 million. It's crazy. So they fucking absolutely skyrocketed. And then TradeAlgo's been seeing transactions come through. This has been on TradeAlgo's dashboard since 4 a.m. Bro, you would have had since 4 a.m. to grab a call on this. You would have fucking crushed it. Put the house on QBTS. Not a bad idea. Everyone is in horizontal view today. Inconspicuous. Brother, are you black? Yes, I am. These guys are sick, Jeremy. These guys are a fucking sick company. I'd say they're the #1 guys to watch out for in quantum. Dude, every quantum stock's under $100 right now, right? Let me ask TradeGPT. I'm going to say, is there any quantum stocks that are under 100? They will actually be owning pieces of several different quantum companies. D-Wave? Yo, hey, JJ, fucking great trade this morning, bro. That SPY fucking short must have killed. I'm glad you got after it while you're still on vacation. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys the one I have. I don't have D-Wave, unfortunately. I have QBT, or no, I have QUBT. I have QUBT. But it looks like TradeGPT built us a portfolio. Nice one, fun, place, efficient. Based on quantum computing with the price under 100, here are some names that pop up, or greater than 100. IONQ is 63. RGTI, $26. I'm looking for LODE. This is interesting. Who are these guys? LODE and AMPG both are trading at $5 and $4 right now. Let's do a quick dive on these guys. Okay. What do these guys do, and do they have any actual motion? Can we stick to one screen view? Confusing AF, knowing where everyone's chatting. Yeah, we can. But understand, inconspicuous. I'm able to. What's up, Zebra? I'm looking for a quantum computing company. You're about 100K on the morning. Okay, so yeah, load is clean energy, actually. High octane momentum, AMPG is high octane momentum, real products, real niche, insane recent moves. Okay, let's see AMPG. AMPG, guys, I'm gonna discover a fucking stock right now. That's gonna make me a millionaire. Dude, who the fuck are these guys, man? Yo, inconspicuous, are you thinking what I'm thinking, bro? Inconspicuous, are you thinking what I'm thinking on AMPG? Let's do some research on what these guys, the actual designs develops microwave component-based amplifiers that meet individual customer speculations. What do you think, bro? What do you think, bro? What's up, JJ? Can I get a 1K loan? I'll pay you back in 50 years. Dude, I fucking love like British shill rap. Nah, these guys are operating on 44 GHZ. That's what 44 GHZ is what JJ takes. 44 GHZ is what JJ takes. But yeah, these dude, I mean, this might be insane, bro. AMPG. Should I throw a little racky poo at these guys for the long term? AMPG has some big volatility up spikes. Bro, do you see the... Let me have Google. We're going to use Google AI because it's going to scan through the news, and then we'll use TradeAlgo AI because it'll scan through institutional transactions. Let's check this out. We go AI mode, and then what is it? AMPG. AMPG. I'm going to say, give me 10 reasons why AMPG will be worth... let's just do $50 a share in 5 years. OMG, ads, you really need these 30 cents. Wait, Zebra, you shouldn't be getting ads. Go back to regular stream, and you're a mod. Are you guys getting ads? Okay, to reach Amplitech Group would need to grow its current share price of approximately $5.44 by massive 10x. Okay, that's not even a big deal in today's market, bro. The global transition towards open radio access network allows telecom operators to bypass single vendor dependencies. Dog, this is out of my fucking pay grade. Amplitech pipeline, it includes non-binding letters of intent worth roughly $118 million. Bro, rapid multinational. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to ChatGPT. Actually, I can use TradeAlgo. I can use TradeAlgo for this. Give me, and then I'm also going to say, make it simple to understand and make every reason why correlated to the lemonade stand example. Do you guys know what the lemonade stand? Traders are so useless. Thank you, Shadow. I don't feel fucking useful. I just am, like a trader is like a leech. Brother, I'm a leech. I fucking succubus onto stocks and shit. I know, bro. I definitely know. I'm gonna hit you up. I'm gonna do that today. Here, I'll tap in on Discord literally right now. I meant to. What do you think about the app, the Dub Invest? Oh, where you like mirror portfolios? It's delayed data. If AMPG keeps winning more business in key markets like defense, 5G satellites, if you're selling 20 cups a day on, you were selling 20 cups a day on a quiet street, you move outside to a busy school, and now you're selling 200 cups of the same work, revenue 10x, cost barely up. What if a much bigger corner market share? All right, bro, I'm investing in AMPG. That's my next show. I'm doing it. I've heard enough. I've heard enough. I'm doing AMPG. You will stay poor. Thank you, brother. Look at this guy. I will stay poor. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, King. Hold on, bro. I haven't eaten in like 2 days. Last night, I got active and I took a honey pack and I was like dead. The only nutrition in my body was like a fucking gas station honey pack. And I was like, this will be good for fucking energy. And I just was dead, brother. Dead. What's going on with HPQ right now, bro? Yeah, I'm gonna get out of I'm gonna go ahead and pop out of PANW. HPQ is going up though. But yeah, your boy's gonna go ahead and hop out of PANW. I think that's a good idea. I'm down 165. I'm at $4.53. What up, B-Sunny? Set and forget, in my opinion, for PANW. Can you build some Chipotles in Poland? I'd really like to try. Dad, can we rage tonight? Hey, yo, what up, Zebra Defender? What up, Professor Oak? How you guys feeling? Can you build some Chipotles in Poland? Dude, I'll try. I don't know if they would do that, though. They're pretty, like, liberal. That's a pretty liberal company. Chipotle is a pretty liberal company. Yeah, all right. So I got HPQ, and then I have this PANW. What do you think Shadow does to be useful at 11 a.m. on a Friday besides troll from Granny's house? Thanks, Jeremy. My IBM doing good so far. My grand may grab some QTUM for more exposure. Thanks. QTUM is up 81% of the year. Yo, is that just the move then, Jeremy? Do you think that instead of trying to guess like which quantum stock is gonna do something, you just simply buy a fucking quantum ETF? I just feel like the exposure there isn't as nasty as like just finding the right company. Zebra Defender says you should build rageless Chipotles. That's crazy. I don't even see IBM. No problem. If you're really interested, I would recommend doing a deep dive for even more leverage ETF, more risk, more reward. I'll do the deep dive. Let's do it. Let's have TradeGPT do a deep dive. Okay, what do we got? Find me leveraged quantum ETFs and give me the benefits of each one and what they are holding type shit. It's less reward but also less risk. Oh, are you talking about QTUM ETF? I'm not big on leveraging. Fucking Michael Daly, bro. That dude bought Nevius 3x leverage shares, made like $2,000 in a day. Don't close that PNW yet. Maybe trim. Need something from runners. Flow looks phenomenal. All right, let's see what the deal is. QBTS doesn't sound bad. TBH. That's what I have. Wait, no, I don't have QBT. Sorry, I always get fucking confused. I have a leap. I'll show you guys the leap. I have a leap that I've made 255% on QUBT. I only bought 3 contracts on my fucking Robinhood, but this is like a leap I have. It's just like some random shit. I have a QUBT $25 call. Bro, this shit expires on January 21st, 2028. So your boy is locked in. I'm up. I mean, I only made $981 from it so far, but it's still decent work. Hold up. B Study, what's your expiration on those leaps, buddy? And then I'm curious. I paid $1.28 for mine. I paid $128 per contract. I only bought 3 contracts. QUBT, interesting. We heard that fart. The Cuban here down here goes crazy. Just got hungry watching you eat. Finna order Cuban bread. Bro, that's probably so fire. No, I'm eating huevos mexicana or whatever. I asked for huevos rancheros, and she's like, we have huevos mexicana. I was like, what the fuck is that? Just give it to me. Didn't even ask. I was like, bro, just... So are we boozing? I don't know, bro. I might, if JJ pulls up on me, maybe. Okay, so here's the list. So I asked TradeGPT, I said, find me leverage quantum ETFs and give me the benefit of each one and what they are holding type shit. Okay, so we got... okay, QPUX. Yo, the moment you guys hear one of these, just pipe up. Let me know. Okay, QPUX 2x daily leverage ETF tied to pure quantum index. Deliver 2x the daily returns of a quantum focused portfolio. Okay. The next one is shout out to Jeremy for this one. This is his QTUM HAI HPC semis and hardware. Honestly, bro, this is it. Marvel's great too. Guys, Marvel's gonna boom. Let me show you guys. I traded Marvel earlier this week and got fucking cocked. Oh, HPQ's crushing. Hold on, let me see where I'm at. I'm at break even. It's June 18th, bro. It's not gonna, nothing's gonna happen yet. Let's see. QPUX. Already. CQTM, unlevered ETF. Oh, I was showing you guys Marvel. Yeah, bro, Marvel is a really dope company. I don't know if you guys know about these guys. It's not Marvel fucking comics. It's Marvel technology. And, brother, they are looking insane. And they've only done 100% on in the last 365 days, which is really fucking good. There's still room to grow here, guys. This is the sector. This is the sector to rotate into. It was AI. Now it's this. I'm getting a drip IV so I can drink more tonight. JJ, when you do that, do you have people come to the crib, or do you go somewhere? Marvel's awesome, bro. These guys are super legit. Super duper legit. Can't find any femboys on Grindr. What a useless app. I don't know how to respond to that one. Did you invest? Found them at $30. So, bro, in like 2023. LAES, January 2077. I'm down on it, but 99. Bad entry. It's all good, bro. On a trade that expires in 2027, there's no such thing as a bad entry. The Rocket Labs call and my watches. Guys, yeah, I mean, there's a lesson to be learned here as I speak through this, and I'm discovering this lesson. I'm not the expert who's going to teach you the lesson, but the lesson is, bro, invest in forward-thinking companies and forget about fucking options trading. Use TRADEALGO to build a portfolio around companies that are going to move with the boom of technology. Just capitalize, right? If technology goes away, everything else goes away. So, let's ask, B-Study. Great question. Okay, so but B-Study. So now we're in a kind of a weird spot because what I've asked for here is I've asked for in Austin. Actually, I live not too far away from one of the locations enough, but semiconductors, places like that. Oh yeah, I bet Austin is just littered, littered with fucking semi companies. Okay, so. B-Study, I want you to understand what you're asking me, and it's a good fucking question. The next question that comes after this for a guy like you in your position, actively growing an account, is okay. How do I trade options on these ETFs? Now the problem that we run into here is these are all leveraged ETFs, bro. So I'll show you. I mean, we'll ask for options trades, but I mean you're getting into deep water with a mindset that isn't necessarily bad, but it's just like, dude, let's see what the fuck happens. I mean, I wouldn't know. Let's see. What do we got? Is there any options contracts that expire in Jan 27? That expire in 2027 or 2020? I need to go blow my nose really quick. Hold on. My bad. Yo, what the fuck happened, bro? Trading is gambling? Dog, I hear that every fucking day, man. Give me an NVDA call for 2027. Oh, brother. Yo, definitely on the mood. Did you do something? It's Marvel with an E, it's not like the comic book company. Rocket Lab call, trading is gambling. You'll make it more than 1K. What up, Pedro? Jerkmate stream next. Yeah, Jerkmate stream is next. Driving a car. Literally anything is gambling. Bro, drinking water is fucking gambling these days. How? Okay, I just unlocked Mega Knight. Dude, I'm still dogging you, Zebra. Dude, do you NVIDIA will go to 350 in the next year? Yeah, I personally do think it'll go in the next year. I think NVIDIA is going to hit 350 no problem, bro. Yo, V's dropped a new song. Who's V's? Gleeski, my guy, how you feeling? Big Lee from Florida, my guy, how you feeling? People don't trade, come in here. People that don't trade, come in here to troll. Like, we don't even know we have a gambling. Like, actually. I mean, right now, bro, things are pretty fucking chill for a Friday. I mean, like, dog, like, we can get active, but at the end of the day, like, NVIDIA's been fluctuating from fucking 218 to 220 all day. Nothing's happening. Anyone fuck with Shine, a rapper? Is that Shine is a rapper? So what was the NVIDIA leap? Any NVIDIA call that expires in 2027 basically is what it said. Just literally shill. Because I mean, these are all leveraged quantum stocks, bro. Here, I'll do this. What quantum? And by the way, guys, I'm not using TradeGPT. I'm using fucking TradeAlgo. I mean, I can go and explain myself as much as possible, but don't use TradeGPT for investment advice. What quantum companies can I do leaps on for 2027 or later? Trading is gambling with style. No trade today without work or info, dude. Okay. I ran his talk. No guidance over there. I bought a bunch of contracts at 8 cents for what? Shine was the shit. V's is a rapper. It's a bunch of consolidation. I have QBTS. Or no, I have QUBT. What was your expiration on those? What was your expiration on those? Do I stream on TikTok? Nah. Nah, I don't trade on TikTok. Or I don't stream on. I used to, and then I got banned. I said the R word. I said all of the R words. And then I basically got banned. Okay, so here we go, B study. A micro. This isn't. This ain't it, Chief. There we go. This is what we want. Bro, I mean, like, dog, this is my... I just picked a stock that I thought would do well in quantum, and I just placed the trade. I mean, I placed this on April 13th, bro. That's when I placed this, right? So I bought this stock when it was... Or bought this contract when it was $1.28. These are worth $4.55 right now. Yo, my guy dropped me $5, bro. Thank you, but hey, the donations. I don't even know how that shit works on YouTube. Deadass. I don't like to do the. I mean, like, you guys are fucking sick for donating. It helps, but I don't even get that money. Like, I don't know where that money goes. Like, I don't know how to set up the like the bank account shit. But thank you, bro. Thank you, King. Thank you, King. Tesla had a good day. Tesla had a phenomenal day. Okay, let's see. Oh, no, CBI. Yeah, dude. No, bro, it's... God, I was reading a book this morning on it. The Yale financial model destroyed the economy for retail investors. And I'll kind of explain like what that meant. But the Yale jamming dildos on Monday, don't be crying. Jamming dildos on Monday. I have a BTBT. Okay, let's do okay, give me a rundown of BTBT while I talk. BTBT, what do you think about this? Give me a rundown. Okay, so look, the Yale financial model is basically like the framework to like buy when stocks are low and sell when they're high. And I'll kind of illustrate this because I'm not going to be able to explain it like of the professional financial analysts that I read it in their book. That's better returns on XP. Yeah, it is. Any other platform, damn, they're strict. I was streaming on, what is it? Kick, I think, for a little bit. BTBT. Oh, Bit Digital. They're more from a Bitcoin miner. Hey, you should look into WULF, bro, if you like Bitcoin miners. WULF is a sick one. Okay, so the Yale financial model, it's kind of like what explains what's happening in the market right now in the best way I could. I'm going to go to AI, but I'm just going to ask AI. I could use TradeGPT, but I'm just going to say, explain how the Yale financial model ruined the investing experience for retail Americans. Bitcoin fixes everything? Yeah, sure. Okay, so the Yale financial model, pioneered by David Swensen in the 1980s, revolutionized institutional investing. But here's the thing, guys. This is not good for us. This is not good for the inconspicuous usernames and the fucking or whoever else. It revolutionized institutional investing. That means it revolutionized the way the big boys play ball. Okay? It revolutionized institutional investing by shifting away from traditional stocks and bonds into highly illiquid alternative assets like private equity, venture capital, hedge funds, and real estate. Now, I'm going to explain how this affects the market here. So while the Yale model generated returns for Yale's multi-billion-dollar pool, Wall Street attempted to democratize and copycat his model for Main Street, completely warped the investing experience for retail Americans. Ironically, Swensen himself later spent his years explicitly warning retail investors not to copy his institutional playbook. Okay, there's a reason why retails can't trade like institutional investors, right? The Yale reality, Yale operates on a perpetual timeline horizon. It can lock up cash for 10 to 15 years in private equity because it doesn't need immediate liquidity to survive. I need this simply put. Just make it simple in one paragraph. It goes straight to me. Paul, you don't like a person who ever sit down and read a book. Are you lying to us? Did you use AI to summarize the book? No, I read books. Bitcoin has zero world. Yeah, I don't fucking trade Bitcoin. Cat finds stuff. I think that shit's a fucking waste of time. I have Bitcoin, but I'm not trading that shit. The Yale financial model ruined the retail experience by pushing everyday Americans away from the simple, low-cost index funds into highly liquid alternative assets like private. While the strategy works for university endowments with infinite, timeless, massive fee discounts, everyday investors lack the multi-decade horizon required to lock up cash safely. Burdened by predatory layered fees, block withdrawals in withdrawals during emergencies. So basically what it means is institutions are able to rotate their money around much faster and easier and into different things basically on the retail investors' dome. And like they're just gonna keep fucking shitting on Americans because they have the power to rotate their money out of like massive amounts of money out of stocks so fucking fast that the retail investor will never be able to keep up. Holy shit, you are fucking out of your depths, dude. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm trying to like summarize it. Mara is another Bitcoin that's on my watch list. Mara, Adderall. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. I'll do a little geek out. I'll do a little fucking autistic tick for you. Lead loader. RIOT is sick, dude. Professor, RIOT is a super dope company. You hear, I mean, you guys come on my streams. And I want to, like, emphasize, guys, like, you hear the same 10 stocks mentioned every single day by dudes who are really, really, really fucking smart. I'm not the smart one here, right? I'm just the fucking guy who can use AI to find institutional order flow. That's nothing. But there's like 4 or 5 stocks that a lot of people talk about that you guys should be probably looking at, man. Thanks, Paula. Tame and Paula. Fuck summarizing, just fucking learn it and understand it. Using an LM to summarize everything is dangerously stupid. Holy shit, cats find stuff. You are the stupid. Like, I mean, I'm not even calling you stupid. You just don't. You don't have the experience watching my tool and what we built here to understand. We're a data vendor, right? TradeAlgo's a fucking data vendor, bro. I'm not here to like tell you there's a crystal ball and there's a language model that'll solve all your problems, right? That would be retarded. But what we do is we purchase data and we run algorithms through it that recognize block transactions in the stock market, and watch lists and actionable trades are formed from it. Really, I mean, it's a very expensive back end, but it's very, very simple, brother. Cat has read the entire dictionary. Literally, yeah. Bro said dangerously stupid. Like, brother, I'm sure that it's also dangerously stupid to fucking do 2C at a restaurant in the bathroom and go back to the table and try to hold a competent conversation with a girl that's never met you before. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, yeah, bro, there's a bunch of fucking incompetent things that happen. You know, just welcome to the club, bro. Just try to vibe out while you're in here. You know, relax. You found a place where you can, like, Cal, you found a place you can chill. What up, Z Kelly? How you feeling, bro? I'm gonna go back to vert mode. Just place a trade. I'm understanding everything so far. What chart? What chat am I reading? So JJ, I have a vertical stream and I have a horizontal stream. I have a vertical stream and I have a horizontal stream. You can find both of them on my channel, but I'm reading both chats. And then try to take, and then yeah, literally, like, bro, like, Cat, like, I'm telling you right now, bro, like, I'm not like the guy who's gonna give you a clear explanation, right? It's about money here. A lot of this shit you don't understand. Just like Epstein said, you get to a level where you don't fucking understand this shit. You just are fucking doing it. Like, you can't explain what's going on. You know what I mean, bro? It's vibes, though, bro. It's all good. I mean, if it's wrong, it's wrong. I don't sell a course, so you're not gonna get a shill. That make 1K yesterday, bro. We smashed yesterday, bro. Oh my god, bro. The last trade of the day we did yesterday was crazy. The 25 hundo on the 25 hundo we made was crazy yesterday. That was so much fun, bro. I missed doing those rocket fucking DTE trades. But yeah, we're up 11 grand this month, bro. It's going well. It's going well. Fucking banger, bro. This is better. Not a single market is driven merely by numbers and data. Trading is alchemy. Not a single market is driven merely by numbers and data. Yeah, that's not the point, bro. I mean, there's 5 different confluence points that need to converge for a stock to like have like any sort of biased anything, like any sort of direction, anything. I promise you, bro. Like, I'm not like this. I'm not the guy to like tell you I've got some crystal ball and that it's data and what it is. That's not like I swear it's not who I am. I'm just, you know, I'm a chiller. It's all good. It's all good, brother. Let's go. Yesterday was wild, bro. It's super fun. Super fun. Are you stupid? Do you know what alchemy means? Are you making spells to sell to trade? LOL, witchy troll. Did you? Did YouTube? Did you? Like we talked about, bro. Damn, I need to start doing this. Bro, how much money do you have? I wouldn't tell you to start trading the way I trade unless you have 100K. Bro, just build an invest. Bro, buy companies. Buy NVDA and just chill. Buy NVIDIA, buy Google, buy the big boys, buy the S&P 500, and just chill. You'll get there. But just every week, try to put something into the market. JJ, hit me on Discord with what you're talking about. B study, I use astrology to trade. I remember this dude got mad at me one time when he said he uses astrology to trade. I called him schizophrenic, and he fucking got really angry, and I felt really bad because I was like, dog, I just like was a bully to this guy, and I don't actually know how to use astrology and trading, and I like just fucking felt really bad because I called him schizophrenic, and he was like offended. He's like, dog, why are you calling me schizophrenic? I was like, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, if you don't have 100K, just lose your money and drive off a bridge with all the windows up. You'll lose all your money. Trying to find math is difficult. Anyone have a turkey hair guy plug for Paul? Yo, are the fucking hairline things accusations coming back, bro? I literally worked my ass off to fucking disband the hairline accusations, man. My meme coin gonna be called VJJ. Astrology is alchemy. What up, Brandon? Cyberbullying impacts millions every day. No, it's not. Cyberbullying is crazy. Just log off. No, for real. Shut the fucking laptop. You know what I mean? Yeah, schizophrenia is a serious condition of not really something to joke about. Yeah. No, super bad, bro. Hello, using AI to trade? Nah. I'm just using my dick and balls. I just bust all over the screen. And then wherever I bust, I just trade that. There's no AI involved. Brandon. Astrology and alchemy are two totally different things. Just place a trade while watching stream. E-mini, NASDAQ up 17K. I'll close when stream ends. Bro, why are you always shorting gold, JJ? I'm not even kidding, bro. I'd never give you trading advice because you do know what you're doing. Like, genuinely, bro, shorting gold every day will end catastrophically. Like, tell me I'm wrong. Bro, shorting gold every day will end catastrophically. Am I tweaking? Bro. If you short gold every day, there's going to be a day you wake up with nothing. Right? I haven't shorted gold in a few days. I'm only up, yeah, I'm up 6, dude. PNW is crushing. You think I just let it run? Do I just let this run? Space mining, gold's done. Yeah, okay, bro, just like, you can, like, this is like, bro, like, bro, I promise you, that by the time we fucking start space mining, gold will still go up from space from now to when we're fucking mining gold in space, bro. That might be like S tier level comment. Bro said gold is gonna be useless when we start space mining. Yeah, bro, a lot of fucking things are gonna be not the same by the time we start like running asteroid mining facilities, bro. Gold's very overvalued. Well, I look for wash rates and big sign of market manipulation. Okay, you're also not in it for very long. Elon's saying he's gonna crash it, bro. Dog. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna start using that in like fucking marketing meetings when I have to sell a company on giving, like, letting me do marketing services. I'm be like, yeah, bro. By the time we're mining gold in space, you don't even need this shit. We're gonna crush up moon rocks and store them in the future. And conspicuous. You should need to crush up some moon rocks and throw it in a fucking blunt, bro. How many PNW do I have? I think one contract. It was expensive, bro. Let me check. It was an expensive ass contract. I got two at 42. I got two at 52.28, bro. So I got 10 grand on the trade. We doing SpaceX? Space ain't real. It's not possible. It's hilarious though. Moon dust is very sharp. Since there is no erosion, I wouldn't recommend snorting it. All right, thank you, bro. Thank you. These will never let gold go under 4K. Honestly, that's not a bad way to put it. Where were we at a year ago? This kind of looks like the S&P 500. Well, and then JJ, you're trading for the last month. Yeah, you definitely had some motion here. The Industrial Revolution and its consequences have been a disaster for the human race. They have greatly increased the life expectancy of those who live in. Professor, speaking from experience. Quote-unquote advanced countries, but they have destabilized society, have made life unfulfilling, have subjected human beings to indignities, and led to widespread psychological suffering in the third world, physical suffering as well, and have inflicted several severe damage on the natural world. The continued development of technology will worsen. Yeah, Sam Fried, brother, you might want to go preach outside of NYU with that bullshit. Yeah, there's a space for you on a sidewalk with a picket sign, bro. I'm trying to lock in here. I can't hear that dumb shit. But I promise you, bro, you go to a fucking Starbucks here in a liberal city like New York City, you'll get all the pussy you want. But you're not gonna find any girls in the stream that are gonna fucking turn around once they hear some shit like that. You know, there's a soapbox for you at Cal Berkeley. You can go speak on. I guarantee you'll get the reaction you're looking for. Got any AMD FOMO? You guys want to see some AMD FOMO? Oh, bro, I'm in AMD still. I'm in this fucking bullshit. I'm still in this trade. It fucking turned around. We can go through the history of this trade. I mean, I didn't ever close out of AMD. I didn't even talk about this, but you guys remember my AMD trade, right? That was literally eating me alive. Things worked out. Just 16%. 2 contracts at $69. Turned 13,000 to 16,000. Like, you can't be too mad at it, bro. I'm gonna close out of this day. This will go on my Friday P&L if I close out of PANW too, bro. A little $5,000 day. That's what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. I miss AMD. Nice trade. Thank you, bro. I mean, none of these are my trades. I use a fucking AI that finds these institutional pressures. Yeah, 14K. I mean, it is a slap in the face, though, bro. Still, I made $100,000 in October. I've been chasing that for a minute, bro. I've been chasing that for a minute. It was just day after day after day after day, bro. Just fucking win. And then November kind of dried up a little bit. We did like 40 grand in fucking November. Then December came around and it just was bad, bro. I was literally losing my mind. And January comes around, still pretty mid. And then kind of this year, 2026, we're not, I mean, we've made so much fucking money in 2025 that it doesn't necessarily matter. But I'm trying to catch that like high again, bro. Like it's like a very unhealthy thing to happen to a 26-year-old and just to keep going. I mean, you go from 100 grand a month, right? And then I'm still trading with decent consistency. But now it's May 22nd, and I've only made $11,000. Bro, what the fuck is going on? You know what I mean? But it's cool. Live and learn. Lock and load. You know, we'll just keep it going. Love AMD. Been in since $50. Haven't sold. Waiting for $500. You should do your own trades. Your Zeal DT is better than TradeAlgo. No, it's not. Not even close. AMD was TradeAlgo. PNW is TradeAlgo. I mean, yeah, every trade is TradeAlgo. My LAES are still at a good time to enter the league for January. Are you asking me if should I play ball on LAES with you? V-Study, how much is the contract? Should I get back in Qualcomm? Yeah, Broadcom or Qualcomm, AVGO. Oh, QCOM. It's Qualcomm and you have Broadcom. But you're not risking 10K. Yeah, that is true. Every single trade in October, I was doing 10,000 a trade. These trades, I am not. If Elon starts those solar-powered farm fields, Silver will rock it. Why? Why, bro? It's a tough. I mean, dude, that's a tough call, bro. It's up to you. I mean, this thing is skyrocketing. Are you getting FOMO from Are you getting FOMO, bro? Ooh, LAS looks nice and speculative. I love it. I mean, has it ever been at $238 before in the history of the stock? Like, look, come on, bro. It was at $228 in 2024. It's never, ever gone above where it's at right now. So keep that in mind if you're going to go and trade this. At 58 a contract, $58 premium or 58 cents, bro? You're throwing $5 grand at it? Yeah, he's talking about having solar panels, and he's talking about having millions of panels. Yeah, it's true. With the renewable energy boom, though, that should have already like at somewhat reflected it. How much has silver gone up since the renewable energy boom? Yeah, but yeah, we've already. I mean, guys, there's massive amounts of. There's hundreds. I mean, there's probably $1 trillion worth of solar panels already created inside of the United States. Probably about $1 trillion, bro. Think about it. Renewable energy. Let's go. Let's be real. Are we still on QCOM? Yeah, this is QCOM. LAES. You guys find these crazy companies, dude. What is this? Oh, microcontrollers. And it's, bro, anyone can put the word quantum in front of their company right now, and it's just generating money. I'm in the leveraged silver ETF. I started buying back at $37. When silver was pumping, it hit 400. But bro, literally, that's like what this is becoming. Like, people are looking at quantum stocks like early stage Bitcoin, and they're not wrong. I'm not going to say that's going to do a million X like fucking Bitcoin did, But that's the mindset you have to have when it comes to investing. Don't do short-term gamble. Bro, just bet on the future infrastructure of the world, and you won't go wrong. Just saying, so he's not gold now. Yeah, okay. You know what? That's facts, though, JJ. That's facts, though. That is 100%. I do. Electroplate is already overvalued. Silver is definitely the better play over gold. Like on a long term is what you're saying, right? What does quantum even mean? Literally, Zach, it means nothing. It's just some fuck all word. It's like, just chill. Yeah, Bitcoin mining machines are being repurposed for AI. That's what this kid's doing. Fuck, what's his name? Situational Awareness by Leopold Aschenberger. This kid's 20. This kid's in his late or early 20s or something. Already running like $1 billion hedge fund. And his like mindset is, bro, he's buying out data centers. Or, I mean, old crypto mining facilities and turning them into data centers. But yeah, this guy is... Guy bought SanDisk at $192, bought CoreWeave at $125, IREN. I mean, this is his holdings portfolio. Up 40% on the quarter. Yeah, he's fucking crushing it, bro. 26 holdings. A massive, massive, massive portion of this is in BE. This guy, Kevin, First-Hand Capital Managers up 166%. Roku, bro has Rocket Lab, Netflix. Damn, this is cool. Maybe I should talk to TradeAlgo devs about putting something like this in. Are you on Grindr while on stream? The fuck? Yeah, I am. Do you do signals or show how to use the AI? Well, this is like a stream that, I don't know, Nama, maybe. Quantum computing is a real thing. Well, yeah, brother, it's like in the depths of labs, it's the real thing. Yeah, Josh, it's TradeAlgo.com. What's like your experience though? I can kind of explain how somebody like with your experience would do it. Maybe, maybe. It's just exhausting, bro. It's just way too much fucking yapping and begging and like the trivia just fucks my mental up. It's just not conducive to the stream. We lose a ton of viewers. There's like 5 people who actually play and the 5 people just badger for the fucking thing. His trivia is a joke. Yeah, that's another. Yeah, like my point was proven immediately before I even had to get into it. I'm the Badger. It's already priced in. I'm sure he's a nice American. I'm just bad at entries. I literally have too many strategies to count. Yeah, dude, Josh, that's your first fucking problem, bro. Bro, you need to look into, like, just simple shit. Find a company that works and use their order flow. It's, like, not, like, the market doesn't have to be a symbol. I'm a dumbass when it comes to this shit, and I'm crushing. Just because I do the same thing every day. Nothing broke resistance from yesterday, bro. Nothing broke resistance from yesterday. Last trivia was, what does New York spell? Yeah, it was. That was really funny, by the way. This channel will build. Apple did. Apple rep, can you please show us your house? What the fuck, bro? No. I don't even... This isn't even my house, bro. I'm not even at my house. I swear, man, I'm not joking. I know you're not. It was just a crazy question. I don't, like, even know what I'd show you. You need... Oops, I didn't mean to break because this was 1 hour ago. Now the world is ending. Dog, I'm thinking about just getting out of PNW. I was good following inside Bison Tape. IDK what I'm doing now. Bro, yeah. Do you guys, like, know? I don't want to really do this right now. I'm not really in the mood to chill. Look, man. Fucking, I'll give these guys a shout out. This is the AI I use. It's not a crystal ball. It just tracks order flow, and I'm able to go in and ask it questions like, give me an in-the-money options trade to make right now, and it gives me a specific trade, and I just take that trade, and like I could do a spread. I can ask for really anything. Yeah, I'm up 10% on Apple. Let's go. Inconspicuous. That's pretty good for you, bro. Like a hard 10 is tough. How much like dollars did you make? It's cool. He just wants to know where you live. No biggie. Please put videos or house front and back of driver's license. Literally, bro. Do you use a bit because I do. I'm building a Toto with my earnings and shot on a heated seat. Fuck yeah, man. I'll show you. I mean, no, I'm not. This is an office though, bro. Toto is overrated. The fuck is Anthony Scott hitting me up? I'm up 800% on that 305 529 call. Diamond hands. On Apple. I don't have a bidet, no. Toto is overrated, but it has a remote. What is Toto? Is that a fucking bidet? Yeah, I want a more basic approach so I can just turn my brain off. What do you average? Like, what's like your average trade size? Joshua, if you're rich and not shitting on a Toto, you're poor. Are you serious? Do I need to get one? To prove my worth? I literally have 4 certifications in finance. The market is French to me. Bro, yeah, you just got to chill out, bro. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do and like that. But, like, yeah, bro, just take a deep breath. It's like they've ruined the financial markets, especially for guys that know too much. I think it's the platform B Cobra. Are you talking about the trading platform I use? What are you talking about? Toto is like an $800 toilet. This shit, bro, just for a fucking shit catcher? What are we talking about, man? You guys remember the bathroom arc I told you guys when I used to sell bathrooms? Is it a stock? Are they like smart toilets? It's not even on the fucking market, B-Suddy. Japanese toilets? Buy the dip on Dram, let's see. Yeah, big over his cap. 2K toilet. They make up a day you can install on your toilets for cheap. How much? Do you guys all have bidets in here? They open when you walk in the room. Are you serious? Does this pickaxe work well for AI chips? It makes 90% of chips. TSM. For residential plebs. Dude, I want to go back to this kid's holdings. He's probably crushing it. He just increased exposure by 8% into SanDisk. Just a shit UI. TradeAlgo needs to make something like this. Solaris. T1 Energy, Bitfarm, so a lot of energy. SMH, Classic. Yeah, he has a fat portion in fucking Bloom Energy, bro. Yo, yeah, dude, this kid has a fat. Hey, yo, inconspicuous. You see this kid's? He has $879 million in Bloom. He bought it at $85. What's Bloom Energy at right now? He bought it at $85. Bloom. It's at 306, dog. Me and Steven Davis would be rich if we went huge on SNDK. What price was it when you guys were talking about it? Do you know why I do that? So it's still stuck to your hole. Just trade algo, ask what to buy for a day trade and walk away. I'm going to try it. Yeah, I mean, get familiar with how the data works. Steve Davis, already too rich, though. That's facts. Yeah, sorry, I'm checking positions really quick. Yeah, I mean, AMD's whatever, bro. HPQ, I'm up to 44.72. So we're making money on HPQ now. All right, I mean, this is a good day. When do these HPQs expire? June 18th. Yeah, I mean, I could wrap it up here. It'd be good. Yeah, it's TradeAlgo. Just Google search TradeAlgo. They're a data vendor, so they buy data and they use AI to scan through it. It's not a crystal ball. Only grab chump change. Maybe if I hit my vape, I'll stay on longer. Hold on. I use TradeAlgo for my trades, and then I execute my trades on any major brokerage, Webull or Robinhood or Moomoo. Yeah. I just don't want to confuse you guys. The shill here is TradeAlgo. I'm not shilling you a brokerage. I'm shilling you the AI I use. Dude, AMD was a banger, bro. I mean, like, I feel so grateful, bro. Like, genuinely, this shit is fucking great. I can't even fucking complain. I'm so fucking blessed, man. We hit AMD. We got PANW. I'm gonna end the week on a fucking good note. I got the weekend to myself, dude. Yeah, it's just gonna be really fucking chill. Should have went huge on what? Everything but giveaway. No giveaway today, dude. The giveaway just gets so messy, bro. It just gets so messy, and it just feels so pointless sometimes. I'm gonna wrap up. On AAL, American Airlines, Allahu Akbar on American Airlines, Allah, Alhamdulillah, American Airlines, everything but giveaway. Dude, the giveaway just gets so messy, bro. Trivia gets messy. It just all gets so fucking messy. It's draining. Yeah, American Airlines is, dude, do you think Spirit's going to make a comeback? I kind of need it to. How is it pointless if you're giving money to your supporters? It's not that simple, bro. Because I get fuckers like you who like do like 100 different IP addresses on a fucking simple giveaway site that I built on Vercel Then I gotta like put a VPN filter up and worry about like duplicate IPs. It's like genuinely, bro, you're gonna say some stupid shit like that, knowing how complicated you make it, lead loader. You little fucking brat. Crazy. You're the one who broke it. Like it doesn't even like it's a crazy question to ask. That doesn't make sense. I bought 2 contracts. No, dude, it's like wild. And then lead loader's gonna come in my stream and be like, "How is it pointless if?" And then everything but giveaway. And then bro literally goes full scam mode when I do a giveaway. Does duplicate IPs and like fucking crashes the bot. And then like I try to do nice things like pay clippers. I got scammed on paying like my stream community as clippers. It was just super fucking messy, bro. The real like, dude, yeah. Like, it's just like, I try. Like, genuinely, I try so hard. Bro's beefing with a kid. No, but, like, literally, though, dude. Like, I'm beefing with, like, an evil 13-year-old genius. Like, who's, like, from Senegal, Africa, whose, like, whole mission game plan is to beat my system however I fucking set it up. Well, sign up with TradeAlgo. Subscribe as well. Yeah, bro, TradeAlgo's the move. Bro, drink some water. These people on the internet are fucked up, bro. Dude, dead ass. And then he's going to drop bro's beefing with a 13-year-old. Bro's beefing with a kid. Like, dog, it's not even beef. It's just the facts. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, what? Like, tell me. I can't do a fucking giveaway. Trivia gets fucked. Hey, let's go. You're up 1% on QUBT. Senegal. I'm poor. What were you expecting? Hey, dude, don't give me that. You have a vacation house and your chef cooks for you. It's insane. I don't even know if you're the real lead loader. Like, I don't even know if it's the real lead loader. Mr. Beast doesn't cry about it. Yeah, see, then there's like, you compare me to the biggest YouTuber of all time. Like, dog, like, what is, like, logic? I just don't get it, man. I just don't get it. How does it make sense? About 2 crowns, like NVIDIA 220 puts expired today. NVIDIA is 216. I'm still doing 500. Robinhood's fucking, because when did you buy the contracts, right? You're dealing with theta, B-Suddy. Your theta's eating that return alive. It doesn't matter what the stock does. Now you need a catastrophic fall. It's so simple to get 10K these days. JJ, if you had to start completely over from scratch, what would you do? Would help me and I got you then. Hell yeah. Yeah, JJ, if you had to start completely over from scratch, bro. I'm talking like back when you were fucking just off the porch. You had to go off of the porch again. How would you do it? How would you get the money to start? What would you start? Would you do a massively leveraged funded account? Have you ever traded SUKC? It's volatile but rewarding. Is that a joke? SUKC? He'd rug a memer. JJ's really thinking right now. SUKC. Yeah, so Suxy is in... He would have went back to HVAC school. I'd DoorDash for a week, make 1K. If you put 500... Okay, fucking guy. All right. Yeah, suck these nuts. Yeah, thank you, bro. Yeah, awesome. Give it up. Kelvin. Hey, man, that's, that is humor. You can wake up every day and be funny. That's the choice you have, and that's the path you've chosen today, bro. What is this, like a Merlot? What do we got here, big dog? Kevin Hanlon. What are we doing, man? I think you're Swedish. You're learning Swedish? Congrats, bro. Bro, JJ wildin' crazy. Yeah, no, okay, so yeah, JJ, never mind. Bro, I have 10K in 2 weeks. Literally, yeah, okay, so JJ, never mind. I guess I'd ask somebody else this question. revert to another path here. But I gotta get off here pretty soon, guys. Up 1K on 1K. Are you 1% or 1K? And I'm done. If I were to start from scratch, I borrow money from a bank and then buy a business from a retired CEO and automate everything from there. If Lead Loader were to start from scratch, I'd borrow money from a bank, buy a business from a retired CEO, and automate everything from there. Honestly, it's not a bad idea, right? What do they call it? Business acquisition. Great way. You got us, man. You will figure it out. Are you? Yo, Jesus, nah, bro. Just use the tech I use. This isn't like a fucking follow the leader stream. I've had days where I've lost lots of money. You guys have been here for it. I had days where I got hit so hard I didn't even know what the fuck was going on. I had to stop talking. I just went into survival mode. JJ would invest in copper pipe and wiring. Yeah, he'd invest in abandoned construction sites. And he'd just invest his time into going into them at night and stealing copper. Lead Loader does Adderall. It's a nice pin. Copper is up a lot. I remember when fucking like copper, or like when I first learned that people stole copper, I was like, dude, why the fuck would you ever steal copper? But dude, crackheads go crazy for copper. What's my P.O. box? You want to send me something? Copper is up a lot. It's doing too much Pokeball. Need to diversify. I'm holding both of these trades that I'm in right now. I breathe in Adderall. What's wrong with Addies? Dude, you're geeked, bro. You're literally so geeked. Guys, I'm off. I'm wrapping. I'm done. I need to find a way to buy meme coins and sell before the rug pull. Yeah, dude. I need a way to like just print money also. I want buy my course, not in mood. Lead Loader uses Adderall. JJ uses meth. JJ, hell no. You can buy my resources. All right, what's going on in the chat? Guys, yeah, it's time to wrap up. I got shit I got to do. It's been fun. Everyone, you need to make sure you have a good weekend. Go into this shit with a positive mindset, and I'll catch you guys. Any last questions before I wrap up here? What's your P.O. box? Send you a mushroom? Dude, you guys can't. I would love to say yes and, like, send it to me. LOL, bro, do you not know who I am? Yo, JJ, what's the most amount of Anna, actually, B Suddy, this question for you too, and then anyone else who wants to answer. What's the most amount of milligram edible you've ever taken, like, at one time? Like, chocolate bar will have, like, 10 milligrams of THC in it. What's the most amount of milligrams in an edible you've ever taken at one time? What's the best prompt to ask TradeAlgo? Yeah, yo, Josh, you got to hit me up. I built a prompt pack. It's free. I'll send you this. But I'm going to show you. It's prompt number 3 on this prompt pack. You're going to go right here, and you're going to use prompt number 3. This is my bread and butter, and then, I'll fuck around, and I'll use intraday momentum. But if you watch my stream, bro, this is all I do. 1,000 mg, and it was not fun. Holy shit. My friend hit me up right now, and he was like, dude, I might do a 30 milligram edible. And I literally texted him back. I was like, dog, you're such a fucking pussy. Like, you are such a pussy, bro. You. Cheer number 3. No. This is my prompt pack right here. Join my Discord, and you can hit me up, and we can talk about how to use it. go to my channel, and then go to my posts right here, bro. My post, click on posts, scroll down, and this is my Discord link. Yeah, no, bro. Josh, don't, like, I'm going to show you how to use this thing without paying any money. Oh, so it's the fake leader. $10 grams, more than 100 milligrams isn't fun. 30 milligrams just to get it started. That's just to feel right, literally. Does this make me sleepy? Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Hit me up on Discord, bro. I'll walk you through all this. It's all good. I got you. It's not. I don't sell a course or anything like that either, bro. You're in a safe space. They make me sleepy. More than a hundo isn't fun. Lead loader, I do that for breakfast. Bro, I like you. What's the max grams of shrooms anyone's ever taken? In GTA, when I was like, I had to be in my 20s, like early 20s. I'm still in my 20s, but early 20s. I did 6 grams. I was geeked off my ass, bro. I'm too weak. Guys, dude, yeah, JJ, like tell me like what happens after you do that. That's like not even fucking cool. Like that's like you're just fucking yourself. I'm wrapping up here, guys. You're literally seeing the walls of the box. That's how they describe it. You beat shrooms and ketamine, stacking them up. Yeah, we're doing good. I just butt chugged half a bottle of vodka. What now? You're done. Promise you'll come back with the milk. Guys, I'm done streaming. I'm done for the day. Yep, tree people. I am Jesus. You beat shrooms is the craziest thing I've ever heard. All right, guys. I'm going to wrap up here, guys. It's been fun, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, but I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Have a good weekend. Have a good Memorial Day. That's crazy. 3.519. Yeah, that's wild. Do I want? Nah. I can't. All right, boys. I'm out. I'll catch you guys. See ya.